Hi all, konnichiwa. I'm Gunjan here, and today also I come up with few of the position for you. And guys, I do have one request from you. Can you please share these position onto the urgent basis, because at this point of a time, people we are having much resources at this point of a time for the same position. So I don't want you to lose any hope and the opportunity which I'm telling to you. So that's why please share and subscribe my channel so that you can get the regular update, and do share it to the needy persons प्लीज़, क्योंकि ये जॉब का सवाल है, तो इसी वजह से आप इसको जितना ज़्यादा शेयर कर सकते हो उतना ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. अगर आप मेरे से वीक और आफ्टर 15 days और शो यू विल आस्क फॉर द ईमेल आई डी टू शेयर द रिज्यूम में, तो कुछ भी बेनिफिट नहीं होने वाला है, because it will not take much more time to close the positions. Okay, so let's move on to the first job I'm having for you. And this is into the MIS analyst. They are looking for a person who had a good hands-on experience on the Excel part and who can directly coordinate with the clients. उसको क्लाइंट को हैंडल करने का एक्सपोजर ऑलरेडी होना चाहिए. एंड द मिनिमम experience they are looking for, that is of 3 years. And the salary what they are providing is of 25,000. The location would be in Noida, so you have to be bang on in Excel if you want to grab this opportunity. Location will be in Noida, and salary they are providing is 25,000. See guys, it is not less. ये अगर आपका बैंडिंग इसी तरीके से होता है. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग 3 years of experience, so your minimum salary would be 3 lakh. So accordingly they are paying you decent amount. ठीक है, कम salary they are not providing you. इफ़ यू गो विद द बैंडिंग पार्ट, तो उसी तरीके से ही उन्होंने अपना सैलरी डिसाइड किया हुआ है. Then we move on to our second position what I am having for you, and that is also into the one of the research company I'm talking about. And the name of the company is Parvus Analytics Private Limited. They are looking for the market research person who could speak and read well Kannada, Hindi and English. उनकी मेन प्रायोरिटी ये चीज़ ज़रूर है. इफ़ यू आर गुड विद स्पीकिंग एंड रीडिंग कन्नड़, Hindi and English, so you can bang on with this job profile. Here they are looking for someone who is having minimum 2 years of experience, or if you are good with speaking Kannada but not having any of the experience, yes, it will work for you as well, because they are looking for the fresher candidate for the same role as well. And for this thing they are providing the salary range of 18,000. The location I'm talking about, that is also in Noida, and that is nearby sector 63. So if you are good with that, if it interests you, do share me. I will share with the mail ID in the comment section. Okay, let's move on to our third profile what I am having for you. And that is with Covens. And the Covens is into the medical researching type of a company it is, and they are looking for someone into the clinical research का person they are looking for. And if you are fresher and having the educational background into the science, post graduation or graduation in science, and if you are a fresher or having minimum experience of 6 months into any of the science line, so you can go with that. Okay, and so let's move on to our fourth opportunity I am having for you. That is into the HR executive role, and the location will be in Kolkata, near Salt Lake, sector V. And the qualification they are looking for a person who are having MBA in HR. And the experience what they are looking for is 2 to 5 years of experience and corely into the HR vertical. अगर आपको experience है और HR vertical में नहीं है, तो this job will not suitable for you, so please don't try for it. If you are having the experience into the HR vertical and minimum of 2 years of experience, you can go with that. But there is one constraint. They are looking for only the male candidate. They are looking for only the male candidate, and the age limit is also prescribed here, that is only 30 years. So if you are above 30 year, please don't go with that. So quickly run through our fifth position. The company I'm talking about, that is with Godrej Properties. I do have the opportunity with Godrej Properties, and they are looking for someone who can handle the entire north zone. Okay, the guy should be in the education as in BCom, BBA, or MBA, but all the prospective, the education I am speaking about, that is into the sales and marketing only. Okay, and as you already know, as per the name of the company, that is into the Godrej Property, they are into the real estate business, तो आपको उसका थोड़ा बहुत एक्सपीरियंस ज़रूर होना चाहिए. Here you need to maintain out their existing customer zone, and you need to develop the new customers as well. Fine. इवन दो HNI कस्टमर्स को आपको प्रेजेंट भी करना पड़ेगा रिगार्डिंग द इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो हियर यू नीड टू क्रिएट आउट द बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट रोल एज वेल. In short, if you want to know which type of a sales is that, so my answer would be a direct sales. It is a direct sales. If you are interested with this type of opportunity, please do share it to me. I will help you out with the entire more prospect, इसका और भी क्या होने वाला है, सैलरी क्या होने वाली है, एंड ऑन विच मेल आई डी यू नीड टू शेयर योर रिज्यूमे, वो मैं आपको सारा के सारा कमेंट सेक्शन में शेयर कर दूँगी. Let's move on to our sixth position, and that is into the assistant manager quality check and quality control में है ये मेरे पास रोल, and that is into the पुणे लोकेशन. पुणे की कंपनी है ये, वहाँ पे है. They are looking for BE or BTech candidates who done their engineering into the civil background. तो civil background का person ये देख रहे हैं specifically. They are looking for a candidate who are having minimum experience of 7 to 10 years का experience उनको होना चाहिए, and the salary what they are providing is 6.5 lakhs per annum. The people also describe about the job description. तो आपको entire drawing की knowledge होनी चाहिए, maintenance की knowledge होनी चाहिए. You need to work with the contractors as well. पूरा examination होगा, regular visits होंगे आपके sites पे. मोर ओवर आपको क्वालिटी टेस्ट वगैरह भी करना होगा, क्वालिटी रिव्यू प्लान भी करना होगा. सो इफ़ यू आर गुड विद ऑल द थिंग्स, एंड इफ दिस रोल्स you are keen with this role, you can share it to me. I will share you the mail ID on which you need to share me your resume. As of now, I am done with the position I am having right now for the day, and rest we can take over tomorrow. So if you want to know anything regarding the position, please do comment me up, or for any query you can go back and see the video again, so that you can get the clarity. So if you have any of the questions regarding the HR, और आपको कुछ भी चीज़ें पूछनी है, please do comment me up. For the day, bye bye, take good care of yourself. Hope all people are doing good, get good salary, good job, and most probably, or most priority, you all will be happy in your jobs. Bye bye, take good care of yourself.